Welding toward a career. Welding students from across the district were at Battery Creek High School taking part in several nationally recognized certification exams. A few of the students already have welding certifications and say adding another certificate will help them become more employable.
To me, it's just another stepping stone. Last year I got the stick certification, and I already have a MIG certification with a different company. And this year I'm going for TIG. So it helps me be more versatile to the company's needs. They can put me on whatever they need me to do. It really helps me become more desirable to that company.
I took the same test last year, which is what everybody else is taking, which is why I'm taking a different test. It offered me the ability to go get an internship with Wildcat Steel in Hardyville. So I leave school now halfway through the day and go out and weld in the field, and which is a great learning opportunity.
Definitely shows that you're serious about welding in this industry, but once you accumulate enough certifications, you are more technically qualified for more jobs.
Several of the students are testing for American Welding Society certifications.
What we're doing is testing the kids on basically T-joints and the stick process. And what we do is we set up two test plates, and we set them up, we center them up, we tack them up, and the students actually weld them up. We take them back to Florence-Darlington and we'll bend them and make sure that the steel has the weld has the integrity that it needs to hold up.
The students have been practicing hard for the exams, and they're ready to drop their hoods and show off their welding skills.
I think what's difficult is that you have to get the right angle so then you don't have undercut, so you get the good fusion into both plates.
Once you get into your booth, it's your world. You know it, you've been there before, you know you're comfortable with what you're doing. Yeah, it might be a little bit nerve-wracking because it's a nationally certified test, but and push comes to shove, it's what you've been doing for the past year or two.
The students will find out if they pass the certification exams in the next few weeks. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.